I believe we can all testify now that Telegram mini app is back and better with Major. I actually made times 10 return of investment in Major. No cap, no cap, no cap, no cap. I'm one of the most happiest person here right now. And the only thing I'm just trying to, why didn't I invest more in Major? So Major actually paid me times 10 return of investment. To the best of my knowledge, I spent less than 5 tons in Major. That's less than $30. So, and I was allocated this. For those of people still doubting, so let me just go through. Look at my start transaction. Look at my start transaction. You can see. Then my turn transaction in Major. Let me check achievement. Okay, this is turn transaction. I did, I think, three um turn transaction under achievement. Then I also did some other achievement, some other turn transaction. I think about three here. So all the total money I actually spent in total in Major is around 5 tons. But I'm not sure, maybe exceeded 5 tons. I know I didn't spend much money. And this thing gave me more than $300. Can you see that? So the thing is, in my own opinion, if you actually see good Telegram project with high potential, if you have the money, if you have the financial resources, you can actually invest. I'm telling you, all the Telegram game I've actually invested in, I don't think any one of them have actually given me losses. Except MeFi, though I still made my money back in MeFi when the price actually come. So if something can give you 200% or times 10 times 5 times 2 return of investment, in my own opinion, even if it is within 5 6 months or 3 months, I think it's a good investment. It's a good investment. So let me take you to um my Gate.io account. So I received. So I received this here. Then I sold. You can see I placed a sell order. In short, the total money I actually made in Major is over 300 dollars. Over $300, which in my own opinion is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. I don't know what else to say, but I am one of the most happiest person here right now. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I don't know how I'm going to actually quantify or express myself. So if you have the money or the financial resources to invest in Telegram mini game, please do. Don't allow anyone to discourage you. It pays. It pays. It pays. It pays. That's what I'm saying. So if you want to learn more on how to make money online, check the link in the description of this video and make sure you join my Telegram channel. You get that? So you do all that there. So see you in my Telegram channel.